Welcome to the Student Pastry Chef of the Year 2025. Everyone is very busy preparing for their final. Wish all the students the best of luck today.
It's going to be a nice challenge for everybody because I can see high skills. We can see a lot of effort on them.
To see the students, their talent, their creativity, their passion for the pastry is truly inspiring.
These students really care, and what they put on that plate, they didn't just show passion, they showed love, care and attention, and I think we've got a great next generation coming into our industry.
Every year it's getting more difficult, but we are here to celebrate them soon in the end of the day, and I can't wait for that.
The students have been exceptional this year. Every one of them showing absolute promise. You know, we've had such amazing feedback from the judges and all the people involved in the competition. They've done so well. And our winner, we have Phoebe Mortimer, everybody.
Honestly, I'm so excited. This is such an honour. I've worked so hard to get here and I'm just so happy that I got to meet all the judges and I got to share what I've created with you guys.